Switzerland's approach to military service is a fascinating blend of tradition, necessity, and national identity. At first glance, the idea of a country renowned for its neutrality, maintaining a robust, militia-based military, might seem paradoxical. However, this policy of armed neutrality is deeply ingrained in the Swiss ethos, reflecting a unique commitment to self-reliance and preparedness. The Swiss Armed Forces, or Schweizer Armee, operate under a model that is quite distinct from the professional armies of many other nations. Instead of relying solely on career soldiers, Switzerland employs a system of conscription, where most able-bodied men are required to serve. This system is not just a relic of the past, but a living, dynamic part of Swiss society. It ensures that a significant portion of the population is trained in basic military skills, fostering a sense of collective responsibility for national defense. For many Swiss men, military service is a rite of passage, a shared experience that transcends social and economic boundaries. It is a time when young men from different backgrounds come together, learning not only the technical aspects of defense, but also the values of discipline, teamwork, and resilience. The training is rigorous, designed to equip conscripts with the skills needed to defend their country if the need arises. Yet, it is also an opportunity for personal growth, a chance to develop leadership skills and forge lifelong friendships. Women, on the other hand, have the option to serve voluntarily. This choice reflects a broader trend towards inclusivity and gender equality within the Swiss Armed Forces. While the number of women in the military remains relatively small, their presence is growing, and their contributions are increasingly recognized and valued. This voluntary service allows women to participate in national defense, while also challenging traditional gender roles, offering them the same opportunities for personal and professional development as their male counterparts. Switzerland's policy of armed neutrality is not merely a theoretical stance, but a practical strategy that has served the country well throughout its history. By maintaining a well-trained defense force, Switzerland ensures its sovereignty and independence, deterring potential aggressors while avoiding entanglement in external conflicts. This approach has allowed Switzerland to navigate the turbulent waters of European politics, preserving its peace and stability, even during times of widespread unrest. The concept of neutrality is deeply rooted in Swiss culture, symbolizing a commitment to peace and diplomacy. However, this neutrality is not passive. Instead, it is underpinned by a readiness to defend the nation's interests if necessary. The Swiss Armed Forces are prepared to mobilize quickly and efficiently, thanks to the extensive training and preparedness of its conscripts. This readiness is a powerful deterrent, reinforcing Switzerland's position as a neutral yet resilient nation. Moreover, the Swiss military system plays a crucial role in fostering national unity. In a country characterized by linguistic and cultural diversity, the shared experience of military service helps to bridge divides, creating a sense of common purpose and identity. It is a unifying force that strengthens the bonds between citizens, reinforcing the idea that defense is a collective responsibility. In essence, Switzerland's militia-based military is a reflection of its unique approach to national defense. It is a system that balances tradition with modernity, individual responsibility with collective security. Through conscription, Switzerland ensures that its citizens are not only prepared to defend their country, but also equipped with the skills and values needed to contribute positively to society. This model of armed neutrality, grounded in preparedness and self-reliance, continues to be a cornerstone of Swiss national policy, exemplifying the country's commitment to peace, independence, and unity.